All right, so now usually when you yield, you create a little bit of backward space, you drop the hip, stretch the spine, you curve underneath your partner, and then you pick your partner's base up and you create a vertical circle. If you're doing a more aggressive martial art like Wing Chun and a lot of the Southern Kung Fu systems that are seeking to occupy as much space as possible, you're not allowed to go backward, you're not allowed to go sideward and forward. So what we're going to do is practice moving, yielding into our partner. So our partner presses and takes away our space, and as soon as we have that, at the point of contact, we do like a hinge. We hinge the relaxation sung, and then we bring the energy straight through. Rather than going back to create space, dropping and coming under, we just create a small lever there and yield forward. So I don't want to have any backward space. Give me more, make it difficult. And then I just have that small amount of leverage there and tighten the yield. I still need this point of contact where he's pushing on me. I still got to take this pressure off, but I can do it with a small tilt to get the gap and get the energy to move forward. So you get this martial efficiency where if you're wrestling with someone, if you go rock backwards, they'll take you down. It's all done. Where if you lever slightly, yield on the top, slip in underneath through the gap on the bottom, you get this very, very tight slip through. And so what I want you to do is create all these different situations where your partner's bearing or bridging in on you, and then you do that lever, yield on the top, bring them up, slip underneath at the contact point, and then produce the jin. And if you're doing any wrestling or BJJ, really essential. You can't give a person any space at all. And this little lever method works really well for yielding to move forward at the same time. Okay, have play.